It was brain aneurysm, which would turn into a stroke. It just happened at home. I was in bed sleeping. I woke up and I couldn't move. I was paralyzed the whole time.
The goal is to work on some things while they're here, kind of a modified outing perhaps, and then if they're appropriate for being out in the community, we would start planning with the patient based on their interests and making sure we're working on shared goals and basically just getting them out in the community. Michael expressed an interest in music early on in his therapy, and we happened to have another patient that was also very interested in music.
Music is my number one favorite pastime. I love listening to all types of music, all types of genres.
With Delia, she had a condition that affected her mobility, her ability to stand and walk, and she always was talking about music. So when she found out that we had an opportunity to go out in the community, she could practice with working with the drums and the music, that really not only motivated her, it helped to work on her goals of getting stronger. So we were able to work on a lot of the goals that we already had for her here in rehab. Some of the other patients that we've had in rehab have expressed interest in doing things in the community, even if it was just getting out to a restaurant or shopping. So some of the things that we would work on with those patients, especially if they'd had a stroke, would be standing from their chair, reaching in the upper shelves for items.
I'm here walking around like a normal person, and I come in through here, working with the drums. I'm learning to utilize, because you have to coordinate. And you don't do that with a stroke. By doing this, I'm able to work the pedals, work the drums, work everything, and your whole body's working at the same time. Compared to the first day and today, I've come a long way. I feel confident.
Music is everything. We had so much fun just playing simple things like drums and maracas and bongos. And Michael is a very quiet man, and he left with the biggest smile on his face. And that's exactly how I felt. And it makes me feel absolutely wonderful that people care so much. And that's part of the battle. These people care. So I'm motivated every day to get better, every day.